Welcome, in front of me is a Huawei Nova 13 and today I'll be showing you how you can wipe cache partition on this device. So, to get started we'll need to boot our device into a recovery mode. So first let's prep ourselves for cilia, whatever it is, to start blasting our ears. There we go. We're gonna select power off. Apparently it's intelligent, but it's not intelligent enough to know that when you're holding power button you actually want to turn off your device. So anyway, once the device turns off, you then want to hold power button, volume up, and once you see the Huawei logo, you're gonna let go of the power button and then press it 5 times. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the 5th one, you're gonna hold it. So I'm gonna start doing that right now. Power button, volume up. In a second, there's going to be logo show up. There we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And as you can see, this brings us to the recovery mode, and a completely most common way you can enter recovery mode. That's sarcasm, by the way. Anyway, in here, we're gonna select clear data and wipe cache partition. This goes to a quick cache wipe. There we go, and it's already finished, so we're gonna select back, restart, and this will bring us back to our operating system. And as you can see, we're now back in almost Android. Anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.